Hey, this is Gene Davis from Facebook, the Titanic Tips and Tricks Trumpeter group. We have some Tori Company stuff here, and I'm going to introduce you to a new YouTuber, Joseph Thurman. He has been building some stuff with the China 3D and 350th scale that just looks absolutely awesome. Let's zoom in here. So we're going to get him turned on to YouTube and doing some Tori stuff. This is all China 3D that he has been using on his 350th. What kit is it?
This is the Minicraft 1-350 Titanic, their premium edition that comes with photo etch.
And how much China 3D is on here?
Pretty much all of it. The only thing we are using is the hull and the decks, the just plastic that the decking goes on.
So Joseph's pretty much into Titanic. He's got a lot of collectible stuff. And he is a shipbuilder.
Clearly have a problem, but it's, we like that. We got a lot of great projects for the future, and I guess now they're going to be on YouTube, so...
So we've got the Tori Company engine room set, and he has started doing some cleanup on that. We'll go over that in his videos later.
It's outstanding product.
So he got the 1/700 scale and the 1/400 scale, and we are jointly going to review the 1/24 scale Titanic Anchor tonight. And then I'm gonna let him review his own kit that I got for him on his channel, and I'll go ahead and do the links for his channel and the Facebook group later on. So if you give us a minute to get organized, we will do the Titanic Anchor. Okay, so we've got the Titanic Anchor from the Tori Company. Here is the UPC code. Go ahead and take a look at it. Let me know what you think.
This is a wonderful product to get started on. Just another quick introduction. My name is Joseph Thurman. I've been working on various Titanic projects for a while now, and I've been more or less employed by China 3D Prints to demo a 1-350 Titanic kit, and I'm super happy and excited to demo this wonderful product that's recently come out from the Tori Factory Company. Absolutely outstanding. If I just might add, I've had a chance to take some time to get intimate with some of these parts here, clean some of the 1-200 stuff up, and I've been absolutely impressed with what I've seen so far, so I'm really expecting great things out of this anchor. We all know the Titanic's anchor is super iconic. It's one of the most iconic features of this ship. It's one of the things that stands out the most in the wreck today, so this is really, really cool that we get it in 1-24 scale. The packaging comes out okay. I believe Tori Company is working on this. We are going to get these things packaged up a little better as some parts come a little loose, so just be prepared for that. But they always have instructions. Their instructions are very concise and clear. I really like the way that they do stuff and list their parts. So it's very important that you go through and you make sure you have all your parts with you and let them know if anything is off. Right away, I can see the detail that's in the anchor. This steel, I believe it was steel they made these things out of, has texture to it, and they have nailed that texture with some good airbrushing skill. This is going to come out really, really nice. Definitely you can see all the writing on there, which is historically accurate. Go ahead and zoom in on that.
And I believe the anchors were bronze.
Bronze, gotcha. Beautiful.
They may have been steel, who knows.
Well,
or
they were
iron.
heavy. We know that. And here we got the other parts, and it looks like they've got these already pretty cleaned up, I would say. There's not a whole lot of work needed to clean up the resin before painting. You might want to go through with a little bit of sanding and finishing here, but the chain also does have some texture detail, which you want to try to keep as much as possible. Even some of the resin detail can get away with being texture detail on the chain itself. So,
and because these were cast, I mean, sort of being out in the open cast.
Sure. Beautiful, beautiful way they've done that. And we've got the top part to the anchor here. And it looks like it'll slide right in comfortably. Let's see if we can give a little demo to that. It's also got the same texture finish, which is really, really great. This slides right in beautifully. You guys nailed it, Tori Company. Great job with this. I'm already super excited to put something like this together and finish it. This would go great on the wall of any Titanic collector. Mine. Anyway, this is beautiful. And looks like that's all of the parts there. These are the smaller details that come with it that will be added as well. Some do require a little bit of sanding, clipping, finishing here. I love that. Look at that. Just absolute crisp detail. Very exciting that we have these new products to work with as the Titanic community. I know we've all been waiting for stuff like this. I definitely know I have. For quite some time, we've been waiting for somebody to put together the entire guts of the ship, the boilers, the engines, the turbine, and we finally have a company that did it. Thank you again, Tori Company. This is absolutely wonderful anchor. We're going to look forward to putting it together. You guys did a great job.
Hey, we're going to...
what do you think?
We're going to run over here what Joseph's working on. He's got these coal bunkers cleaned up on the 200 scale, and he's working on cleaning up some of these parts and getting them ready for his own review. So I'm going to go ahead and back out of here, and I'll make sure that all of the links for Joseph's channel is up here. Make sure you give him a warm welcome and a thank you.
Thank you, guys.